Hey, good evening, everybody. Mr. K, it's Sunday night. Here's your weekly rundown for PCM this week. So Monday, you guys will have the practice quiz for 6-1 and 6-2. I will post a video with that goes through the work for each problem. So we'll work that through just like we would in class, but we'll post that online so you can look at that practice quiz and the review. Tuesday morning, I will have a live help session at 10 a.m. Please make sure you make a note of the new code for our class. It'll be PCM Kosanki, all one word. So make note of that. That's also on Schoology, but we'll have a live help session at 10 a.m. for questions in regards to the quiz. Your quiz will go live at 11 a.m. It will be up on Schoology from 11 a.m. till 5 p.m. So it's your responsibility during that time to print that off and take your quiz. It is due by 7 p.m. Tuesday evening. So again, you have between 11 to 5 to print that off or copy the problems down if you don't have a printer. And I need a copy of that back by 7 o'clock on Tuesday. Wednesday, there will be a video. I'll post it ahead of time actually, but there'll be a video for 6.3 on multivariate systems. You have two worksheets due this week, worksheet 1 and worksheet 2 for section 6.3. Those will both be posted with the notes. Those are due on Thursday by 11:59 p.m. So again, the homework and the notes will be posted Tuesday. They'll be up for Wednesday. That's your assignment, to watch those notes and then do the homework on Wednesday and Thursday. That's it for the week. We have no school on Friday due to Good Friday, no school the following Monday due to Easter. I will also post review worksheet 23. That will not be due until the Tuesday after Easter. That is the 14th. As always, if you got any questions, shoot me an email, and I'll get back in touch with you. All right, take care. Have a great week.